Drowning in tasks and notes, let's cut through the productivity tool clutter and see if Sunsama or Notion is the real MVP for your workflow. First, task management. Sunsama is your daily planner on steroids. It helps you bring tasks from different platforms into one place to schedule them across your day each morning. Sunsama prompts you to plan your day. Notion offers a more flexible system. You can build elaborate task management systems using databases, add tags, set priorities, and create all kinds of custom views. Sunsama wins for simple daily planning, while Notion gives you the power to build complex project management systems. Now, Notetaking. Notion is a powerhouse here. Create detailed notes, link them to projects, embed documents, and build entire knowledge bases. Sunsama's note-taking is simpler. It's focused on capturing relevant details for specific tasks, not building a comprehensive knowledge base. When it comes to project planning, Notion's database functionality shines. You can visualize projects in Kanban boards, calendars, timelines, and more. Sunsama is less robust for larger-scale projects. Its strength lies in managing your daily workload. Collaboration. Notion allows real-time co-editing, commenting, and shared workspaces. This makes it ideal for teams working together on documents and projects. Sunsama focuses on individual productivity, while you can connect it to team tools like Asana. Its collaborative features aren't as direct as Notion's, so Sunsama for laser-focused daily planning, and Notion for its customizability. The best choice depends on whether you need a streamlined planner or a flexible, all-in-one workspace. Choose the one that best suits your organizational needs and workflow preferences.